eminyeto kushabwa kukozesa je emikutu yaza kanyabwenge kwetungura bigambirwa hari cyabyoma Nasarand Primary School obwaba Australia Hope International babire nibabwabwana aba Christian Victory Ministries nekigenderwa cyo kutungura obuhereza no kuhwera bakateyamba.
Hope means helping others possess empowerment. In other words, we're not in Uganda to build our own kingdom. We are here to empower organisations like Christian Victory Ministries with the purpose of helping children, particularly children in poverty, refugee children, so that they can be educated in a loving, caring, godly environment.
Obuyambi bwatugulira esente z'okushashura abashomesa zaabwe niho tutemeire emihanda kugira ngu turebane n'abo bari kwebasa abajungu nk'abo butwaleeta heri izooba babase kutukwatira aha baana konka nabo tibaine sente wareba ebizimbe ebi noreeba ngu tibiri by'abagaiga konka niyo ntandikwa nituteekateeka ngu mu myaka 5 mu maisho tuza kuba turi aha bizimbe nk'ebi.
Abatura b'ekyanga eki nibagira ngu embeera z'obuheereza nizigyendesa amaguru make kandi ngo kuhika aha by'obwegyese ebintu ngo bigumira kimwe ahabwa kuba abaana nibagenda engendo ningwa otiireho kubura ebikwato nk'ebitabo.
Abana bato munonga.
Also those young kids that come from 3 miles away from the school. We are asking this before you if you're able to do it. You can also support us with a school van.
Problem of water. And yet we know water is life and health. We are lacking a playground for physical exercise.
Okurigirra har Pastor Bill wa Australia Hope International obwa hatana benda konjera mani ombyobwegese ebyentasya hamwe nebindi bitabatura bahigirwa kufayo na munonga habana babo aha miringo y'ibaro kukozesamo za kanyabwenge.
In the Western world, technology has come so far and children no longer sit at a table with their family to have a meal. They are in the bedroom watching movies, and they're not good movies, all of them. Many are bad morally. They help destroy marriage, love of God, church attendance, right? So it's a big influence, and as a result those young people, they leave the church. In Africa, the internet and media is going to be available to almost everyone, probably within 5 years.
Uganda, they don't use herbicides. Food is fresh and good.
Mu Uganda twena turebe kaje kandi nebyo kugebitwine biro fresh,
And I can tell you it is.
kandi ariyo nabagambira mu mazima n'amazima yishuireje.
So I tell you that if you are going to grow coffee,
Ariyo nabagambira kumera bemisa kuhinga omwani
we will help you
nibaza kubayamba
to grow it without
Bamwe ombarukuza kuganyirwa ombuhereza obu harimwe empunji efuzi hamwe n'abaana barukutura n'abazira batarukwebasa. Gasha kwa Anthony Twine omuri Kamwenge.